Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video on how to clean porcelain tiles. Watch until the end to know how to clean your porcelain tiles. How to clean glazed porcelain tiles. The 4-step procedure is effective and gentle on your tiles. Remove dust and dirt. Ensure you have a good broom, a vacuum cleaner, or a dust mop. Either of the three will help to eliminate a great deal of dust, debris, and dirt, which will be critical to getting better results. It's best if you use a dust mop or a soft broom. A dust mop features a microfiber pad that efficiently collects fine dust, hair, and dirt. Additionally, the mop is not complicated to use and it's gentle on your glazed tiles. Suppose you come across stubborn dirt, use a nylon brush to scrub it off away gently. Start by pouring hot water on the affected area and then scrubbing. If you scrub the surface when dry, you might damage the glassy finish on the tile. Remove stain. It can be stressful to have stains on your glazed porcelain tiles. Luckily, with the right cleaning solution and tools, you can easily remove them without damaging your beautiful tiles. Use commercial cleaner or white vinegar. Mix a 1/4 cup of vinegar with 2 gallons of warm, clean water. Mop the area in question, and then allow it to sit for about 10 minutes. Then rinse clean with water. If you decide to use the commercial cleaner, follow instructions from the manufacturer to the letter. Use a combination of water and baking powder to remove stubborn stains, red wine or coffee. Apply the mixture and scrub the area gently with a small brush until the stain is gone. Then rinse the area with water, mopping the entire floor. Once the dirt, dust, and stains are gone, you can mop the floor. Use the water and white vinegar mixture to clean your tiles. Vinegar helps tiles regain their shiny exterior without leaving a residue or soapy film. Begin with the innermost part of the room and work towards the exit or entrance. After cleaning, rinse the tiles with clean water for a flawless look. How to clean unglazed porcelain tiles. Unglazed porcelain tiles are made by pressing clay, silica, and other substances tightly, then firing at high temperatures to make water-resistant tiles. They're less slippery and chips are not easily noticeable. Cleaning unglazed porcelain tiles needs a different approach because they don't have a protective layer. Below are the steps you should use to clean your unglazed porcelain tiles. Use a microfiber dust mop. Unglazed porcelain tiles lack that protective layer found in glazed porcelain tiles. Thus, you should not use abrasive materials to clean them. Use a microfiber dust mop when sweeping to remove dust and loose dirt before mopping. Use a mild solution. You should clean unglazed porcelain tiles using mild cleaning solutions to avoid any damage. You can use a store-bought cleaner that's safe for unglazed tiles, or make the vinegar solution that I've discussed earlier. To clean the tiles, wet the surface with a mop and scrub any stains or stubborn spots using a small, soft brush. Then rinse with clean water. Dry the tiles. It's important to keep the tiles dry to ensure water does not penetrate through them. To dry, use a microfiber towel or a cloth to ensure that you get rid of all the moisture. How to clean textured porcelain tiles. Textured porcelain tiles are made to resemble other flooring types, such as hardwood. Cleaning textured porcelain tiles is very easy, as discussed in the steps below. Sweep using a broom. Since textured tiles are made to resemble hardwood or natural stone, there are more spots where dust can hide. First, sweep the floor in one direction using a flared broom. And when done, sweep in the other direction. Sweeping in both directions will ensure that you get all of the dust and hidden dirt from the tiles. Wash with a mild cleaning solution. You should also use a mild cleaning solution safe for textured tiles when mopping the floor. Use a microfiber mop to clean your surface and allow the solution to sit on the tiles for approximately 10 minutes. Then scrub any stubborn spots with a soft brush. You can use a soft broom to clean a large area if many stains need to be scrubbed. Rinse with clean water when the entire surface is clean. Ensure to rinse the surface thoroughly to get rid of all of the cleaning solution, as it can damage the tile if it's left on the surface. Dry the tiles. Finally, dry the tiles with a soft cloth to remove all the water. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and let us know which video you would like to see next from us.